Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. This is my outfit for today. It's the sweater's a little long, really short, and you can see my boots, right? And the little boots. So I'm putting this sweater on to cover up my back end. Got to cover that up. It was a little hot, so this is what I'll go to work looking like. But wanted to show you the outfit first, and I'm not sure again today because I didn't go to work Monday and Tuesday. I was super lazy, not feeling that great this week. I have fibromyalgia, so I have a lot of pain in my body. With fibromyalgia and arthritis, my knees are always killing me. So I worked from home for my night job Monday and Tuesday. So I was super lazy. Yesterday I wore not breezy waves, chic waves. I have it in a lilac, and I had run out to the store or something, so I wore that one yesterday. And I think Monday I did not wear a wig, which was really crazy. So I was really not feeling good if I went naked all day. I think I actually went out with I went out without a wig on Monday. I went out. I think we ran to the store, yeah. So I went Monday without a wig. Went out in public with my bald head. So that was huge. But anyway, so let's grab the wig. So I think I have, this is Envy's Alyssa. I was thinking of wearing this one today because this I didn't wear on Monday with that other outfit. And then I have, I don't know if that's going to be too dark, or I have Brooklyn. I have Brooklyn too. I don't know. I think I want to wear Alyssa, but we're going to bring these two in and then see, yeah, I think we're going to bring these two in and see where we land. So let's head to the bathroom. Okay, so now we are in the bathroom, and I'm going to try them both on, see which one needs the least amount of work and which one looks best. So this is Envy's Alyssa, or is it Alyssa? Yeah, Envy's Alyssa Petite in black. So there's this. We've got really cute. But the question is it too much black, right? Is it gonna be too much black? You know, does it make my outfit too dark? You saw what I had, right? So the pants has a lot of black in it in color. Actually, look, this looks really cute with it. Obviously, we're gonna do a little something something to her, but let's try on Brooklyn from Polly Young. And she is in 1488A. So this is Brooklyn. I don't remember what she looked like. So, why don't you just take a peek? Oh yeah, she's cute. So, which one? Which one do we think we want to wear today? I don't know. This is kind of cute too. This reminds me a little bit like River. Which way does she go? I just want to tuck her behind my ears a little bit. Do I have my scissors in here in case I need it? Oh, this is pretty. Brooklyn's kind of pretty, but does she look right with the outfit? She does kind of look okay. Let me just, and I want to just try on, I'm going to just try the Amazon. I don't know, I really like this one, but I'm not sure. Not sure. Would she go with today's? kind of like it. Kind of like it with today's. I think I may go, yeah, I think I might go with this. I think she's the right pick for today. Yeah, with my dark eyes, I think she's the right pick for today. Yeah, I'm gonna wear the Amazon. I'm gonna wear her. All right, I am gonna fix her a little bit though. All right, so first thing I have to do is I need to tighten. She's a little looser in the back. So let's walk through this one. So she's got a basic cap. She's got, you know, those straps. She has an extended nape with a little bit of felt. And then the ears are felt. So it really actually a decent cap. And it's actually even closed weft. So this is really, for an Amazon wig, this is not, the quality is not bad at all. So you've got it closed, and then you even got like a lace closed in the front. You know, the cover up where the part is. So she does have a little bit of this plastic part. So I may, I'm gonna put a little bit of my powder in there just to lighten it up a little bit. But it's not too bad. It probably could be opened up a little bit, but I'm not gonna pluck it right now because I don't have time. But I do just want to tighten it a little bit, and then we are gonna, I think, trim her bangs just a tiny bit. So let me tighten the wig, the straps. Tighten the straps. All right, and then put her back on. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's better. Much better. And then let's fix her. Yeah, she's cute. She's definitely, I don't know, do I want to fix the bangs? Let's see, where am I in the right place? So right there. I don't know, I kind of, yeah, I gotta, so what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to cut them, I just need to clean them up a little bit, is I am going to, I'm just gonna, do I want to do it this way? Yeah. I'm just gonna do this and pray that it's enough. I'm gonna do a tiny bit. Just gonna twist it, and I'm just gonna cut a tiny bit off the end, right? Just a real tiny bit. I'm gonna cut it diagonal because I don't want any kind of, all right? Let's see. And then, if I could do this without poking my eyes out. Yeah, I love the dark brown color. You know what I want to do? This is what I want to do. I could do this. And then I don't have to cut them. I am going to do this. So we're going to wet the bangs a little bit, put my piece in my dryer, and now this dryer, I couldn't find it exactly, I bought it on Amazon, but I do have links below of wigs that are similar. So let's just pin my hair back. Yeah, I have wigs that are, blow dryers that are similar to this one in my description box down below. It's just the key is you have to buy one that has plastic. It cannot be metal or it will melt the wigs. All right, so. Yeah, they're still too long, but anyway, I just wanted to pull them up a little bit like that, so that's good. All right, we've got a couple of, where is, I had, let's see, just got a couple of pieces that keep coming forward, so I'm just gonna keep them as part of the bang, and just kind of cut those off. I had the little, so let me get over here a little closer. Okay, that side's looking better. I know it's a little dangerous to do it while it's on you, but I can't really do it while it's not, because then, like, how do you know if you're doing the right length? See, now that's perfect. But now, my face is covered in hair. All right. So, I think we got it. Okay. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, I don't want it totally. And then I think I want to put a little bit, I've got John Renault's Peace Out Cream. I gotta clean my face of hair now. All right, I'm gonna put just a little bit of Peace Out Cream on my fingers and just kind of piece it out. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm doing with my bangs. Okay. And then this, just make sure it's combed out. I love the make sure this is combed out. The feel of this hair is really silky. All right. So, yeah, I like this one today. And I like that I'm able to keep some in the back too. With my earrings. All right. It looks really good in the mirror that it's dark enough. All right, let me show you. This is the front. And we've got the side and the back. has enough hair. And then the other side, right? And if we look at my ears, I've got really good coverage right here. You can, you know, my sideburns are shown a little bit, but this part right here covers it. And then same thing on this side, really good coverage right here, right? All right, I gotta clean my face better, but I'll do that off camera. All right, so this is what I'm wearing today. This is an Amazon, right? All right, guys. I will see you tonight and let you know how I did with an Amazon for the day. And these are, yeah, I could even put her behind my ears at work. So, yeah. This is cute. I like her today. All right. Thanks, guys. I will see you tonight. Bye. Everyone, it's nighttime. Just wanted to show you. So, the Amazon wig, I loved her for most of the day. But she did the same thing that sort of like Veronica did, right? She split. You could see a little bit here, you know, kind of. But it didn't knot up. It really didn't knot up. And I liked her. I liked her a lot today. You know, I don't know. I felt actually today like I had more of my normal hair than I've ever had before. Like, this is close to my normal hair. I just didn't have bangs, right? And I might have a little more layers, but of course thin scraggly hair. But yeah, so it's, you know, it's separating a little bit, but otherwise, I don't know, I kind of liked her. She worked out really well. You know, the bangs split a little bit, but this is the Amazon one, so I'll make sure I send a link in case any of you like her and you want to try it. You know, maybe I was thinking of maybe, you know, putting another layer hair to frame up my face a little bit. You know what I mean? But I really like this one. All right. This is it. This was a very good thumbs up for an Amazon. This is Amazon. The caps construction was really good. Oh, the only thing is that in the back, very, very loose. The back thing kept going up. So I would have either glued it down next time, or I think I'm going to not sew in the straps so that it's tight, because I think the strap fell out is I think really what happened back there, because it's very loose in the back. But in the front, you know, it's not going anywhere. All right. All right. That's my update for tonight. I will see you in the next one. Bye.